Okay, hi, hello. This is Adhrith Fiber Studio. We are based in Bangalore, and we basically manufacture all kind of decorative fiber products. Basically, you can see all the things over here. We manufacture, also we export, and also we do building elevation projects such as interior and exteriors, which is permanent based. And secondly, see, we are doing this since it's been 2 years. The first year was a big hit. The second year it's going to be more bigger hit than that. That's all I'm expecting. Other than that, we just work. We don't expect things from anyone. So it definitely does. But see, marketing-wise, all those things definitely does. You will have to go to a town and you have to search people. It's going to take time. It's going to consume a lot of expense. All those things. When you be here, you'll have to spend something. At the same time, you'll have opportunity, thinking that okay, you might get better customers or much number quantity customers, all those things. It depends on how you think. Every businessman thinks in multiple ways. So how you take a call in a business, what you do in business, it's all in you. It's a risk business. You either go up or you either go down. But you should be ready to take a risk. If not, don't do business. That's all. Simple as that. As simple as that. Thank you so much for talking. Thank you.